Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video tutorial we have already seen that how to connect the notification controller and the player activity to play the music files. And in this part, first of all, we are going to play the next song once the current song will be completed. So just cut it the code and paste it inside this if block. Once we will be checking this media player is not equal to null, and then just paste that code. And now we will have to change one more thing, that is we have to first go to inside our create media player method that we have created inside our music service class. Then here we would like to change this position to position inner, because we want to update the global variable, that is the position, by this position inner, because we want to change this. And then we will use this later. So just now run the app and see if it is working or not, means the next song is playing or not once the current song is completed. So just try to click on any one of the song, and just I'm going to seek it to the last of the position. And now you will see that the next song will be playing. Here you can see that the next song is playing. Also you can see once the seek bar is completed, again you can see that the next song is playing. So we have successfully implemented the onCompletion listener method. And also you would like to change the player activity, that is the full screen mode, because here you can see that this player activity is not in full screen mode. So we will change it to the full screen mode and it will look better now. So just go to the player activity, and here we will create a method that we are calling before that setting the content view, that is the before set content view method. So I just tried this set full screen method and pressing alt enter, it is created now. And now here we will call a method that is request window feature, and inside this we will call window dot feature no title, it will hide the title bar. Then we will call request get window dot set flags, and here we will set flags using window manager dot layout params dot flag full screen. And again we have to write the same thing, that is this code after one comma, because set flags method takes two arguments. And now after this set content view we will call get support action bar dot hide, it will hide the action bar. Now I'm going to run the app and see if it is working or not. So let's run the app and wait for the installation. And here you can see the app is installed. And now let's try to click on any one of the song, and here you can see the action bar, and this is not in full screen mode because this is my emulator problem. I have to restart my emulator, it will work in your case. So I'm going to restart my emulator, and here now you can see I have restarted. And by clicking here you can see this is now in full screen mode. So we have implemented this. Now we are going to implement the logic such that we can play the songs in background even if we remove the app from the recent activity. So what we have to do is, first of all, we will have to get the show notification method from the player activity to this music service class. So just go at the bottom, and here you can see this method. So just cut this method from the player activity by pressing Ctrl X, and come to the music service class, and here we will have to just paste it by using Ctrl V. And here you can see the errors, so we have to resolve it. First of all, I'm going to cut this also, get album adapter, and paste it over here. Now the get album adapter method is created and it is being called from the show notification method. Now we would like to cut this code from the onCreate method of player activity and paste it inside this onCreate method in music service class. Since we have not created this media session compact, so just cut this from player activity and paste it here. Now this is resolved, and we would like to change this list song to music files because we have music files as an array list inside our music service class. So just change this, and also over here music files. Now the error is resolved inside our music service class. Now we would like to resolve the errors inside our player activity by using music service instance to call the so notification method. So just write music service dot so notification, and over here also music service dot so notification. The error is resolved, and repeat the things that we are doing to resolve the error because you are calling the so notification method from music service class. So we are using music service instance. So just call this, and over here also music service dot so notification. Then I think we can run the app and see if it is working or not. And here you can see the app is launched successfully. Now try to click on any one of the song. Here you can see this. I've clicked on this song, and the song is being played, and all of these things, that is the play, pause and next previous button clicked, is working properly. Here you can see this, the song is being played again. So we have implemented this logics from the music service class to remove this app from the background, and here you can see this, the song is not playing anymore and the app is crashed. Why? Because of we have not implemented that logics. Now we will like to implement this over here. So just cut this, means delete this two lines, and start foreground. Call the method start foreground inside the show notification method at the end, and just pass an id, that is the unique id, as 0, and the second argument will be the notification that we have created. And now try to install the app. So now here you can see this, the app is launching, please wait. And here you can see this, when I've just clicked on the song, it is saying that something is wrong, means we have called virtual method. A null pointer exception is over here inside get intent method that we have pointed already. So just cut this line from here, means delete this line, cut it, and find the on service connected method inside our player activity. Just go down, and here you can see this, and at the bottom just paste that line, and now it will work because the music service instance was null inside our get intent method, and that's why it produces null pointer exception. But inside here the music service instance will be not null, so it will not produce any of the null pointer exception. And now here you can see the app is launching, so wait for it. And now the app is launched successfully. Try to click on any one of the song. Let's click on this. Here you can see this, there is no any notification is showing. Why? Let's find this. And again, if you will like to try, you can see this again, you will not be able to see any of the notification of the music player. So what we have to do is we have to write a permission inside our Android manifest file, and that permission is foreground service, to use foreground service. So just go to inside our Android manifest file, and here just write usage permission, and then the name will be foreground service. Try to write foreground service, and here you will see the suggestions related to that foreground service. Here you can see this, just double click on it and close this. Now let's run the app, and it should work fine now. So wait for the installation. And now here you can see this, the app is launching, and after launching we will try to play a song from here. So just click on it, and here you can see this, the song is being played. And I would like to add one more thing inside our notification, that is its visibility. Dot set visibility to show the notification inside our lock view also, means we would like to set it to visibility as public, so notification compat dot visibility public, and then again run the app, and now it will work fine. So after installation you can see this, the app is being launched. Now we would like to play any of the song from here, so just click on it, and here you can see this, the app is playing the song. And also the notification, there is the notification, here you can see this, and we can control the music, means the previous, play, pause and next functions from the notification controller. And now we would like to see if the app is able to play the song in background, even if we can delete this from the recent activity. So just remove it from here, and now you will be able to hear the song that is playing, and also the notification is being shown. We can control over here the actions related to the music files. That's it for the tutorial.